In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background in Gemini. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a photo, cut out the background, and save a clean result you can use anywhere. First, open the Gemini app on your device. If you prefer working in a browser, open Gemini on the web, as long as image editing is available for you there. Give it a second to load so everything's ready for image uploads. Next, upload the photo you want to edit. Higher quality images with a clear subject usually produce the best cutouts. If the subject has strong contrast from the background, like a person against a simple wall, you'll often see cleaner edges. Once the photo appears in Gemini, you're ready to guide the edit with a prompt. In the prompt box, type what you want done. A simple instruction like, "Remove the background, keep only the main subject," works great. If you specifically need a cutout with no background for design or e-commerce, say, "Remove the background and make it transparent." You can also be more descriptive in a single sentence if you like, such as, "Remove the background and keep only the person." The clearer you are, the easier it is for Gemini to focus on the right subject. After you submit the prompt, Gemini will process the image and generate an edited version with the background removed or replaced, depending on what you asked for. This usually takes just a moment. Complex edges like hair or fur can take slightly longer, so let it finish before making any changes. Now review the result. Zoom in and check the edges around hair, hands, or detailed objects. If the subject isn't exactly what you had in mind, try a quick reprompt with a bit more direction, like "Keep only the person in the red jacket," or "Remove the background with clean, smooth edges." Small wording tweaks can help refine the selection and clean up halos or stray pixels. When you're happy with the cutout, download the result. Look for the download or save option inside Gemini. If you asked for a transparent background, save it as a PNG so the transparency is preserved. If the background is solid or you don't need transparency, a JPG is fine and usually smaller in file size. Save it to a folder you can find easily, especially if you'll be using it in a design, product listing, or social post. That's it. Open Gemini, upload, prompt, review, and download. You now have a fast, reliable way to remove any background and keep the focus exactly where you want it.